This is the Volkswagen Jetta 6, and when it comes to cruise control, you may have a steering wheel cruise control buttons, or you may have this type of cruise control. It's more of European, I would say, so it's on the left stalk. In my case, it's on the left stalk. If I want to turn on the cruise control, I can turn on it like that. Now the cruise control is on, and once I have the proper speed on my when I drive on higher, for example, I drive 60 miles per hour and I want to keep this speed, I just shortly press set button, this button on the stalk, on the side of the stalk, and now I can release the gas pedal and the car will maintain the speed that was on the speedometer on that time when you pressed this set button. So let's say it's 60 miles per hour. Now if you want to increase that speed without touching your gas pedal or brake pedal, you just press this button shortly, or you can hold it and it will change the speed faster, but I don't recommend this. So you just press one time and you get plus 1 mile per hour approximately. So press like 5 times, you will have 65 miles per hour speed set. Then if you want to decrease the speed, like to obey the speed limits on the road, you will press set minus button several times, and it will, one time you press, you reduce the speed to 1 mile per hour. And also you may cancel the current set speed just by moving this switch shortly to the center. It will not hold there in the center, you just move it and the cruise control is cancelled. So this is how it works. Also, if you canceled the cruise control, you may always resume it by pressing this button unless you turn it off. So if you press resume, it's not reset but resume. If you press resume, it will remember the last set speed and will use this last set speed in your cruise control. That is how it works.